Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Discover the easiest way to enjoy thousands of audiobooks right from your phone. The Audible app unlocks a world of stories, learning, and entertainment, making it simple to dive into your next great listen anywhere. This guide will show you how to navigate the app's essential features with ease, ensuring you get the most out of your experience. We'll cover everything you need to start listening today, from setting up your account to finding your first book. Explore a vast library and easily find titles you'll love with Audible's powerful search tools. Simply use the intuitive search bar at the top or browse curated categories such as new releases or bestsellers. Before committing, you can always preview any audiobook with a short sample, helping you choose confidently. Remember, you can buy individual titles directly or use your valuable monthly credits for the best value on premium content. It's designed to make discovering your next favorite story simple and enjoyable. Customize your playback for the perfect audio experience tailored just for you. Audible offers flexible settings, allowing you to easily adjust narration speed to listen faster or slower, fitting your personal preference. For bedtime stories, simply set a convenient sleep timer to automatically pause playback after a set duration. You can also bookmark key moments or add personal notes directly within the app for future reference, making it simple to revisit important sections. Enjoy your audiobooks exactly how you like them, anytime. Keep your entire collection organized and accessible effortlessly within the Audible app. All your purchased audiobooks automatically appear in your dedicated library tab, ready for quick access whenever you are. For even better organization, you can create custom collections to group similar titles, perhaps for genres like fantasy or your workbooks. Don't forget to download books for convenient offline listening, which is perfect for travel or when you're in areas without internet access. Your stories are always ready, right at your fingertips. Maximize your Audible experience with these helpful insights and hidden gems. Always explore the daily deal section for significant savings on popular titles you might love. It's also wise to use your wish list to track books you want to read later, ensuring you never forget a captivating story. The Audible app truly transforms how you engage with books, offering unparalleled convenience and a world of listening pleasure. Begin your audio adventure today and immerse yourself in captivating narratives wherever life takes you. Happy listening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.